What's going on, guys? So today we're doing things a little different. We are going to pick up a lawnmower. You hyped, Devin?
I'm hyped. It's gonna be a racing lawnmower.
We're gonna make a drift mower, so slam it, lower it, maybe run like a hydro e-brake setup, I don't know. But this is gonna be part one of a series we're gonna do. We're still gonna build all the other cars, the Lexus, the 300, maybe the CTSV. I just wanted something I could mess around in the yard with and take on the trails. So let's go pick up a 1995 lawnmower, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just got back with the mower. It is super sick. It's supposed to run. It doesn't have a battery, so we don't know. And then the front steering is messed up, but I think we could just put a bar. And we're gonna have to cut it all up anyway, so I wasn't, it's fine. But this is the new drift mower. Oh shit. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do is, there's a way to flip the axle and get it lower in the front, and then we'll probably notch it out down here. And then back here, I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do. I'll probably cut these fenders right here and drop this seat down and take all of this out. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing unloaded and see if we can get it to start. All right, guys, so it is the next day and we are back working on the mower. Right now we're going to try to flip this front axle and see if we can get it to be low boy status. Still haven't been able to get it to start, but we ordered a new carburetor, so hopefully that's the issue, and a new spark plug, so we will see. But first, let's slam it to the ground. All right, so we got the front end disassembled, we got the exhaust off. We tried to flip the axle, but it's not gonna fit, so what we're gonna have to do is kind of cut this and grind it and see if we can make this thing work. All right, we're about to do some cutting. Come on, boy Devin.
Come on, let's see you.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
This thing is slammed. What you think?
Pretty good if you ask me.
What you think, D?
Dude, it's lower than the SC, bro.
It is.
It's sick.
Dude, look how low it is.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh. The back we got still lower, but the front is very low.
Bro, she's sick.
Very low.
Dude.
Austin just pulled up.
How do we even manage to do that?
I don't know. Just
Austin's
flip the
gonna be
axle and
Austin's gonna be like, oh!
yeah.
We throw some port.
Hey, let me get a reaction on how low this mower is now.
Wow, it's low.
That was not a good reaction.
That's so lame. Lame.
Oh shit. Beer down. What do you think? Does it look stance?
Sure.
Dude, no enthusiasm. Almost got the rear end out, only a few more bolts, but this front end is dirty. This front end is dirty.
Exactly where it is in here, but it's somewhere here.
But almost got the back end done. How you feeling? We got the magical pliers to get everything done.
Mama always told me people pliers.
So we got the rear end out, and we got a pretty nasty low now. There's still a couple things we got to take off in the front. As you can see, there's that little plate for where the deck goes. We got to take out. What do you think? Is it low?
Looks good.
What do y'all think?
Needs more low.
More low?
Yeah.
But so we got the rear end out, but we need to figure out how to run the rear end. I think I'm gonna weld up the hole back here or put a bolt in it so we can flip the rear end. But I'm not 100% sure. Absolutely no clearance, but we're probably gonna cut it and weld it up to make it a little higher. But this thing is dirt nasty low. Over here we got the plug is broken, so I have to put a plug in there that way I can flip the diff. And then I'll cut the rear up and make it fit. But basically it's gonna sit something like this. Very, very, very low. And I love it. What do you think?
I like it.
What do you think, Austin?
It's also dirt nasty dirty.
Dirt nasty dirty.
The dirty slut.
This thing's dope.
Dude, this thing's gonna be sick. What do you guys think?
It's gonna be awesome.
Pretty far. Pretty far.
I'm hyped for this.
Yeah, it's gonna be far.
Need a hydro right here, you know, a little sequential shifter right here, you know what I'm saying? Get
It's
a
gonna be
horn
crazy.
button.
Wait for to the pool one day.
A horn.
Oh, yeah.
Got to.
Yeah, drive it to the pool. Oh
You
yeah,
need that little steering knob on it.
that's gonna be so
Do
cool.
you know the
We can all
silver
hop on the
steering
back
knob?
too.
Yeah, we can all hop in the back. But that is gonna do it for today's video. We will probably be filming tomorrow and fixing that diff and making everything fit up. Also, a new carburetor will be here, and hopefully we get this engine running. This is a $50 motor, so who knows? I have high hopes, but low expectations. So I kind of think it's not gonna work, but I really hope it does. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.